All right, guys, we've got the Janxin automatic foaming soap dispenser. In my opinion, I felt like an idiot. This was sent to me, and I felt like an idiot that I didn't already have these. I didn't even know they had these for like, you use them at like a business or something where they have like the automatic sensor for soap. Like, for some reason, I don't process like, oh, I could get that at my house. Like, dude, this is a crazy value. Look, I turned it on. Now, in a second here, I'm going to actually put soap in it and check, but that's how easy it is to use. Not only that, you just charge it in the back like that. I bet it's going to stay charged for a super long time. All you do is just plug the USB-C into the back and then plug this into a USB port. So you got to charge it every now and then. But like, dude, this is super cool. You don't have to touch it. So what I'm going to do now, first of all, I want to show you, this is like, it's a very high caliber look for your bathroom. It's just going to look good, dude. It's going to look good. It's soap, but like, dude, your soap doesn't have to look crappy. It can look good. Now let's forward to me actually seeing, does this, all right. So what I want to tell you before I try it is they do indicate that you want to dilute the thick soap with water 3 to 5 times. So that's what I did here. Let's see. Oh, look at that, dude. Okay. Dude. Okay, straight up, this thing does exactly what it says it does. It's a crazy value. Stop looking around, dude. Move on with your life and be happy. Get this. If you want something with kind of like this simple but modern, high-end looking design, it foams your soap automatically. You're dumb for not just getting this. Don't look at this all day, dude. There's probably like 50 different brands. Just get this and move on with your life, dude. Be happy. Enjoy your soap. Stay clean. Foam it up.